Glory Hole is a huge spillway located at Montecillo Dam at Lake Berryessa in Napa, California. Today we're going to show you how it looks like as we drove off the fields and mountains of Napa.
We're here at Montecillo Dam. I'm just touring around with my cousin. This is a really nice place to visit with family.
The dam and the spillway were built between 1953 and 1957, which is about almost 70 years ago. This is the Glory Hole, right inside Montecillo Dam. It's a 72 feet wide funnel-shaped concrete spillway, also known as Morning Glory Spillway. This hole is considered to be the largest drain of its kind in the world and also one of the strangest things you see in a lake or dam when it begins to swallow water when the reservoir has high water level. When the dam reaches its capacity and when there's danger of reservoir overflow, this hole swallows the water through a huge concrete pipe. Since the reservoir level was low, we didn't see how the Glory Hole drains the water from this dam. So we decided to get down the cliff and see the water more closely.
There are a lot of fish here.
Boating and swimming are strictly prohibited, but we saw some people who were there fishing.